Ashqar, the cat with the curious stride, jumped on a hydrogen bus, his damn I ride. He reached too soon, no bee in sight. His whiskers drooped in growing fright, creeping beneath a stilted house, still as a whisper, quiet as a mouse. The air was crisp, the grounds pristine, with glowing lights and sights unseen. He heard strange sounds, clicks, claps and knocks, humans building booths with bamboo blocks. Ashqar curled into a sleepy heap, too many smells, too scared to peep. Then boom! The beat of drums began, shaking the air like a marching band. The whole place sparkled with vibrant glee, like fireworks bursting from every tree. Dancers twirled in colors so bright, under lanterns swaying in jungle light. Peek through legs and knees, dodging crowds with nimble ease. There were smells of curry and candy treats, of sizzling sausages and coconut sweets. Music from countries he'd never heard, bagpipes, bongos and didgeridoo birds. But still he felt so very small, furball in this jungle hall. The rainforest whispered beyond the stage, calling softly like a rustling page. Yet he knew too well that path meant fright, and not another lonely, shivery night. Just as the sun began to dip, and tears welled up on Ashqar's lip, they head bumped fast, a reunion warm, long overdue at last. Prof B wept just a teeny bit, then handed sausages fresh from the pit. With a wink, he said, "You've danced enough. Let's hit the bed, this fest was tough." To the hotel they purred away. What a rainforest rhythm, what a magical day.